In this video, I'm going to show you the Pentel Fabric Fun Pastel Dye Sticks, and this is what I did, my cactus, as well as this little swatch here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video useful. I have these Pentel Fabric Fun Pastel Dye Sticks, and I thought we'd give them a try and see how they work on a video. I am not paid or sponsored to create this video, and these are all the colours that came with this selection, and I'm just going to have a look at the instructions here. So they're just saying that these are Pentel Arts Fun fabrics, the Pentel Dye Sticks, so you can transform clothes and other fabrics into your own creations. The colours of the Fabric Fun Pastel Dye Sticks do not become permanent until they have been pressed through paper with a hot iron. If you happen to make a mistake, wash immediately, and please note the design may not all wash out completely. So, to make a brilliant colours of Fabric Fun, the Pastel Dye Sticks stand out. Choose a solid white or light coloured fabric. So I currently have this canvas. I like to work with canvas. I want to know how this works on this particular fabric. And the fabrics such as cotton or silk are ideal. Avoid those made of 100% synthetic fibre, such as nylon. Such fabrics may not withstand the temperature of the iron or absorb the colours well. So let's see how it works on this canvas anyway. Note for best results, test the product on a swatch of your selected fabric before executing your final design. And then it says, all starch must be removed from the fabric so the colours can be absorbed by the fibres and not wash out. Dry the material and iron it to produce a smooth surface. For the best results, stretch and pin the fabric to a piece of cardboard and press it firmly and evenly against a smooth, hard surface such as a desk or table. So there we go. Oh, there's another one. Here we go. So that was step 1. Step 2, we just did that. Step 3, apply the Fun Fabric Dye Pastel Sticks to the fabric with even strokes in one direction, only to assure a smooth, unbroken layer of colour. Various shadings can be produced by rubbing different colours with your fingertip and blending them together. If you make a mistake, wash immediately. So, let's try this. So I've done this cute little cactus here, so they're saying to do even strokes. See how this goes here. They are very much like an, well, they're actually not. I thought they were going to be like an oil pastel type thing, but they're more like a they're a bit like a wax crayon. I want to be careful not to snap this guy as well. And they're going on pretty evenly. It is very kind of like waxy. I like the coverage on the canvas as well, hey? And it's applying quite nicely, because I also use the fabric pens. So these are the Pentel Fabric Fun. I know actually, oh, I need to watch it. I'm leaning on stuff here. They're actually quite reasonable. Do I still have the price on these? There was something like $7 Canadian. Going on quite well. There we go. That's the green. That's what it looks like right now. Does anybody else use these Fabric Fun by Pentel? Leave that in the comment down below. Oh, the orange is going on quite good. I'm going to do just like terracotta pot. So remember, you have to press this after the fact. And then we're just going to paint his. Just watch that. You just want to watch that you don't lean on it and transfer some of that ink onto the other part of your fabric. Obviously this has been a bit tricky because it's canvas and it has these little dots everywhere. I'm going to do a little face on him. There you go, here's the black. I'm going to just do looks like a ghost. Should I do some like, I mean I could have done this out of thread, I guess. So now I need to heat press that to make sure that that sets. So this is what it looks like once it sets, and I might go in and do some thread painting over the top of it just to make it stand out a lot more because I love that thread painting. So I've got some cotton here. Obviously I can't use the white. I'll use the yellow, the other colours that are going to stand out. I'm intrigued to know how it comes out on cotton. So this would be good if you wanted to do some filler work. They actually work a bit better than the actual Derwent pencils, the Inktense pencils that I've got, because them blocks are kind of like really dry, and then these blocks have a little bit of a moisture to them almost. Because they're kind of like I said, they're like an oil pastel. And the colours are actually quite vivid. Very impressed with them. But obviously these are going to sit on top and they're not going to go actually into the fibre of your fabric. Do this one over here. And then you obviously heat set them. So that is the Pentel Fabric Fun Pastel Dye Sticks.